Record high gas prices are impacting everyone hitting the road this summer. You know that. Well, as drivers voice their frustrations, one local travel agent says she's seeing more people traveling than before the pandemic. KOIM's Bronte Sorosky has more.
The Missouri Welcome Center right off of I-44 has seen travelers from all over, all worried about the same issue. A study from the American Hotel and Lodging Association found that roughly 60% of Americans said they would take more trips this year compared to last year, although they found higher gas prices are causing travelers to scale back their summer plans.
Hotels are outrageously priced. I don't know why they raised their prices.
Travel agent Terry Littleton says despite high prices, she's seen an increase in local residents traveling this summer.
A lot of people are traveling. They're fulfilling their dreams or their bucket lists, and even with the price of fuel and everything going up right now, I think more people are concentrating on spending their money on experiences and services.
But not everyone is okay with forking over extra money for a summer trip.
The prices in fuel for planes, which in turn is ticket prices to us, ridiculous. We're thinking about not going to Hawaii this year because it's going to be over $1,000 this time.
Littleton said the best way to get more bang for your buck, plan in advance.
The good thing about booking in advance is you can pay, most of the time if it's a package deal or a cruise, you can put down a deposit and then your final payment's not due for a few more months depending on how far out you're booking, but and then that allows people to kind of pay a little at a time and not have to just whip out a bunch of money all at once.
And if you are traveling this summer, it may be hard to avoid inflation during your trip. In Joplin, Bronte Sorosky, KOAM News.
Some experts say there is no immediate end in sight to those rising fuel costs.